Hello guys! Let me try to explain what I did here. I wanted to make a box and so I have decided to make one from the cardboards. So now I have to make a measurement so that I can properly cut the cardboard, and I will be using hot glue for the first time in my life, which kinda went terribly because my hand, as you can see here, is shaking. I probably didn't wait long enough, so it was really hard to push the glue out. And this is the base. So everything is glued. And now I'm gonna use the Das mass. It's like a modeling clay, but this thing is for kids in elementary school because it's air dry and it's easy to work, but it's not really super great quality. For example, if you compare it to polymer clay, because it can crack easily. Technically, you can't do small details well with this. But for this, it's just enough. So I have decided to make a stone version. And this is what I was talking for the detail part. Even the wines, it's not so easy to make them because they can easily break. So yeah, compared to the polymer clay, this is kind of not detail friendly. And now I'm gonna do the first basic color for shadows. So here I'm using acrylic black and brown. So this is the base color, and I have also made a snake, which I had to do while I wasn't filming because of details and I had to zoom in. And yeah, now the dry brushing, which I had kind of tiny problems here because I had to find the proper brush. So these two weren't working because they were kind of coloring the entire space, and this one was perfect because I could access the spaces between the snake and the box and the wines as well. And I don't know, it's kind of soft and makes everything more easier to dry brush. And now I'm just making the stone texture. And yeah, so this is it. After I did this reminded me of a grave, but this wasn't my intention. But yeah, depends who's looking at it. It can be a grave. And here I'm using these special colors for, some of them are for glass. And the first one that I showed has really crackling effects once you know, place it on the surface. After it's dry, so it's gonna crack. And I have decided to go with the golden one for the snake because it's cool. This is my snake. It's so cute and it's so cool. I once actually slept with a snake. She went into my bed. So yeah, cool. Snakes are cool. Snakes are cool. And this is the butterfly I had to add just to cover the, because obviously I had to break the snake in half since it's connected to the first piece and the second one. And in order to open it, it had to be broken. So that's why I will glue the butterfly. So when when the lid is on, you won't see the crack. It's not going to be so visible. And I have also decided to add a bit of grass. I really like stones in nature. And of course Batman, she had to come and check to see what's this. And being the crazy cat lady, I obviously have had to film her a bit, so forgive me. Good morning, guys. I thank you for watching and I hope you like this. The last part I woke up at 7 AM so that I can film it while there is still sun, as you can see, because I'm filming with my phone and the video is not is not really a great quality when I film at night. So yeah, now I finally have my box for my DnD dice, or dices. Is there a plural for dice? I need to check that one. So yeah, now I need to dry my hair and go to work. Work, you know that kind of work. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. I hope.